So we built this massive crystal king, and I'm gonna show you about all the cool features. So it can go down, and you can close it like that.
Mm.
And then if you open it up, you can see the crystal king is inside of him. And I'm gonna take the crystal king out, and this is what the crystal king looks like. And with his weapons, you have to get his weapons on because you have to take his weapons off and on every time you want him in and out. And you can see this is what he that's what his head looks like. This is what he looks like with his weapons. This is the Crystal King, Lloyd, Harumi, and 2 crystallized guys. I'll give you a 360 look of all of them. This is the first guy. I'm going to show you his weapons. He has a double-sided crystal sword. And when he has it on, he looks like this. And he has the same thing, but just with one side. And Harumi, she has 2 swords. For Lloyd, he has this sword with this thing in the back, and an actual sword in the back. For the Crystal King, this is the 360 look of Lloyd, and the 360 look of Harumi. And the Crystal King, these are his weapons. It's a lightning bolt and a sword in the 360 view with his head open and his head off. So yeah, that's the minifig 360 view. Now this is the Crystal King. Now there were 7 bags, and that's a lot of bags. I have never built 7 bags before. And he has this cool sword right here. And this is the 360 view of him. And I think this is his butt or his tail, whatever you want it to be. And then if you keep spinning, you see he has his wings, and I think you can close them so they're like this and open them. And you can take his sword out. But yeah, and you can do this.
Mm.
And yeah, that's the Crystal King.